Alright, in this video we're going to do a door order. I'm going to start from scratch, delete all. I'll actually make a new one. Okay? Radio. So we're going to use the toolpath templates we just made, and in this one I'm just going to do one nest with one type of door. Okay? So I'm going to go new, I'm going to go single sided, 18. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm just going to make some random size doors. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And sure, I might as well make a few of these as well. And sure, just any kind of size at all. Actually, no, I'll delete them. I will make some 395. Yeah. Okay. Just, yeah, you'll have a list of doors you want to make, right? So what you do is you draw the outline of them, and then let's just say, for example, we want to do 70mm rails. We're going to offset inwards of 70mm, and it creates another square 70mm in. Very simple. Very simple. Okay, so now we're going to nest them. So I'm going to press Control and A to highlight them all. I can also do a window box. I'm going to go nest. And actually, no, I won't nest them. I'll bring in the toolpaths first. So show the toolpath tab. Load. I'm going to go to my desktop. Intro templates. We'll just do a 7mm shaker. So yeah, now it's asking us to create the layer that's not currently in here. I'm going to go in there now and just change the color of that to pink. So now I'm going to hold down the shift key, and I'm going to select every inner panel, the panel with which we want the template we just brought in to apply to. So select them all, right click, go down to move to layer, 7mm shaker, and there you go, they're all in the pink layer now. I'm just going to turn that layer off now for the moment. I'm going to bring in my 18mm cutout, create missing layers. So now I'm going to highlight all them, move to layer, 18mm cutout. Might as well stick a color on that of, we will go green. Now I just turned 7mm shaker back on. So there you go. That's our doors. And if I press recalculate, you can see it applies all them toolpath templates to these doors. Now the problem is, as you can see, these aren't actually nested onto the sheets. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete all these, delete all, Control and A to highlight every part. Go to nest. I'm not going to pay much attention to the nest settings right now. You can have a look at the last video for that. Preview, and there we go, there's our nest. Okay, now what I'm going to bring in 7mm shaker, apply that. As you can see now we have it on two sheets. It's on sheet 1 and it's on sheet 2. Okay, and while I'm also at it, I'm going to bring in 18mm cutout, and I am going to apply this template to all sheets. That's sheet 1. It gives me a notification before it moves on to the next one, because it's going deeper than the material. It's cutting into the spoil board by 0.3. That's fine, that's what we want. And the same for sheet 2. And that's it. So now with just one of the sheets lit up, I'm going to go into preview the toolpaths or the simulation. I'm going to go preview visible toolpaths, just the ones in sheet 1. And then it's squaring them, and then it's cutting them out. Lovely. I'll tap the waist, and if we zoom in, now you can see our shaker doors. Very simple. Now, one little drawing tip I'm going to show. Let me just take one of these here, copy, There we go. Okay. Now, copy and paste. Okay, I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to change the height of this to, let's just say, 2200. Now, I'm going to unlink XY to 200. Now, let's just say, for example, we want to do a door with a middle rail. I'm just going to show quickly how to draw that. So, if we want the middle rail to match the height of a 715 door, I'm going to put my big door, I'm going to grab it and I'm going to link it onto the bottom of the other one, right? So now we got the same height. Lovely. Now I want to put the middle panel in this one first, offset inwards 70. Yep, grand. Now, I'm going to go over to line, draw polyline. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start there, linked onto there. I'm going to move over. Right. I didn't necessarily need to start from there, but what I can also do is I can get the height. If I go across, you see an imaginary line comes, right? And I get a vertical marker on my cursor when it allows me, when it's asking me, do I want to link onto this next line? So I'm going to keep moving. And there you go. I'm going to go over. And there you go. Sweet. I'm going to use the snipping tool. I'm going to snip that, snip that, snip that, and that. Cool. Last thing to do is just to put that on the correct layer. 7mm shaker. And then before you're done, just move it away, just so it'll nest correctly. If they were still stuck together, I would actually nest them as one part. Yeah, and that's that one.